Welcome to Wine Time with Ciscoe. I am going to show you my favorite plant. So come on, let's go take a look. Is this a cool plant or what? Look at that big purple calla lily-like flower with a big spadix in the middle. Really interesting foliage. And interestingly, a lot of people send me emails of this plant going, what is that thing? It just came up in my garden. It means a bird planted it. Well, what this plant is called Dracunculus vulgaris. Sometimes people call it the dragon lily or sometimes the voodoo lily. And this plant is not trying to attract a bee to pollinate it. It wants to be pollinated by flies, and to attract them, it smells like a whole herd of cattle died in your backyard. Oh la la. So all you need is a nice sunny spot, a little bit of moisture in the soil, and once you get this plant, you'll have it forever. It'll actually get a really cool seed pod full of red seeds when it's done blooming. Now, mine came up in my back garden, but since its aroma is so delightful, I dug it out and put it out here on the outside of the fence by the sidewalk so all the neighbors get to enjoy it. So no doubt about it, this is my favorite plant. Oh la la.